flat Earth, round Earth thing. Like, why people care if people believe in the Earth the way the Bible describes it? Why do people get so mad about that?
Does the Bible describe it as flat?
Yeah,
it does.
With the dome, the firmament, and everything.
Oh, that's news to me.
That's new. You never read the Bible?
No.
That's the problem.
Does the Bible describe it as flat?
Yeah.
It does.
With the dome, the firmament, and everything.
Oh, that's news to me.
That's new. You never read the Bible?
No.
That's the problem.
That is a problem. That's why I go to hell.
So why do people get mad at people if they just describe the Earth the way the oldest history book describes it?
Yeah. So does this mean you think it's flat?
Yep.
You do?
Yeah, I do.
Well,
I just don't talk about it.
The thing about flat Earth that does trip me out. Google images of satellites. Do it.
Literally that? Images
Yeah,
of
be like satellite. Type in a satellite. Just like type in satellite. Like you'll see no...
The moon landing's a little weird.
You'll see no... There's all... Like, they're just all...
There's no real pictures?
They're all
graphics?
Yeah, dude. Not a single one is not... This is the one thing that tripped me out, I'm not gonna lie. They're all just like renders.
Why?
It's true. Why do you think?
This is the one... I'm gonna say this is the one thing that trips me out. I've never seen a satellite that was real. I'm just saying...
Why would they... Why are they selling us on round?
Because it's not only just... It's not that's not the only thing they're selling you on. They're selling you on space as well. That's why you thinking like that, because you thinking outer space and all those other planets and stuff. Are
real?
Like that. Yeah. Huh?
You don't think they're real? You don't think sun's real?
No. Sun is real. The sun and the moon is real.
Okay.
But outer space is not.
Yeah, because we haven't seen. Then what is it? What are we doing?
It's water over the firmament. Is water.
Over the firmament, he's talking.
We're in the ocean right now.
We under the firmament, under the dome, and there's water over the firmament. Firmament says it in the Bible. The outer space there's no such thing.
There's no such thing as outer space.
No, and that's the whole thing that got you tricked and why you think the other planets and stuff. The planets are wandering stars.
Eddie Griffin has had a lot to say since the launch of his podcast, The Butt Naked Truth. His main argument would be that the government is trying to scare people from talking.
Ain't nobody been to the moon. Ain't nobody been outside this giant cage we're trapped in. The firmament is real. This is why rocket ships take off and they start shooting at an angle.
Thing about the path that the rocket follows. Instead of moving in a straight line, the rocket following a curved trajectory. This isn't a mistake. You will see the exact same thing in every other video of a rocket launch.
They'll scrape the firmament and they always land in the ocean.
Behind. Absolutely amazing, and to describe it to you from, and you can see it, but from the ground it almost looks as though a cloud of smoke with its own mind is just shooting through the sky.
It scraped the surface of the firmament, landed. That's all in one day, but the landing is like a week later, but that's when they show it. All the shit happened in one day.
The landing is the coming back.
There's no satellites out there either, nigga. There's no satellites.
You don't.
Yeah, it's satellite. Yeah.
No, there's no satellites. They are hanging satellites. And that's the permanent GPS system. They call it space. But the space between Earth and God is called the firmament. It's called the firmament. It's in the Bible. Nothing will get through the firmament. Flat Earth is real. Hey, the world is not round. If it was, I could disprove this many times, but anyway. There's an ice wall around our three-dimensional world called Earth. that lays on a two-dimensional plane.